Are you trying to decide on a budget for SEO or pay-per-click advertising that's going to give you results? Hi, I'm Carrie with The Digital, and today I'm going to show you how to use the ROI calculators on our website to help you estimate the return on investment for SEO or PPC with different budget scenarios. In general, the more you spend, the faster you see results, but there are other factors that come into play. So let's dig in.
Okay, so go to thedigital.com, select digital marketing, and then ROI calculator. You'll find two calculators on this page, SEO ROI and PPC ROI. Notice the color coding. So the color of the cells corresponds to the color in this key on the left. The yellow cells are where you'll enter your investment. The green cells you can get from Google Analytics or maybe a marketing tool. And the pink cells you'll get from your sales team. Now I'm going to review the example in the first column, but there are also 3 other columns here so you can play with the numbers with different budget and analytic scenarios. The monthly cost of investment is the amount that you plan to spend on SEO monthly, whether it's a fixed fee that you pay to an agency like The Digital, or it might be the cost of your marketing employees and tools if you plan to do SEO in-house. Monthly organic traffic. So this is the number of users that comes to your site. If you have an established site, you might want to look at only new traffic. Visitor conversion rate is the number of users that come to your site and convert. So what's a conversion? It's an event such as filling out a form submission, placing a phone call if you have call tracking in place, or maybe scheduling an appointment. It's any event that you mark as a conversion in Google Analytics. Expected leads. This is a calculation of the number of users times the percent that converted. Cost per lead is also a calculation. It is your investment divided by the number of leads. Lead closing conversion rate. This is the percentage of leads that you expect your sales team to close. So you can get this from a sales report or CRM, or you might just ask your sales team, hey, if I gave you 30 good leads, how many do you think you could close? It really depends on your business. Expected new customers is the calculation of the leads times the percent you expect to close. Cost per customer is your original investment divided by the number of new customers. Customer lifetime value is what you expect one customer to spend during the lifetime of engagement with your company. So for example, if you're an HVAC company, it might be the average cost of a new HVAC unit and maybe a monthly maintenance contract. Expected lifetime value of new customers. So this is the calculation of new customers times their value. So in this example, we come up to an ROI of 200%. So if you were to spend $5,000 and you get 3 new customers worth $5,000 each, then you take $15,000 minus what you originally spent, $5,000, and then divide that by 5,000, and you'll get 2. So in other words, if you spend $1 in SEO, you can expect a return of $2. Or if you multiply that by 100, then if you spend $100 on SEO, you can expect a return of $200. And that's how we arrived at 200%. Okay, so moving on to the PPC ROI calculator. Again, in the yellow cells, you'll enter your investment. And in this case, it is the amount that you would give to Google to run the ads. So when we call that the spend. So in this case, you would pay $5,000 to Google, And then there's also a management fee. So most agencies charge a management fee to run your campaigns. And at The Digital, it's $500 plus 10% of your spend. So in this case, it would be the $500 plus 10% of $5,000, which equals $1,000. So your total monthly PPC investment would be $6,000. Your average cost per click you can get from Google Ads in the Keyword Planner. So you can look at different keywords and it'll give you an estimated cost per click. Total paid visits is a calculation of your spend divided by the cost per click, and then you can predict how many visits you might get. The visitor conversion rate is the percentage of those visits that convert. Expected leads is a calculation of the total visits times the people who convert. The cost per lead is the spend divided by the number of leads. The lead closing conversion rate, just like in the other calculator, it's the percentage of leads that you expect your sales team to close. Expected new customers is the calculation of the leads times your closing rate. Cost per customer is your spend divided by the number of new customers. Customer lifetime value is again what you expect one customer to spend during the lifetime engagement with your company. And the expected lifetime value is a calculation of the number of customers times their lifetime value. So in this example, we come up with an ROI of 200%. So that is 18,000 minus your monthly investment of 6,000 and then divide it by 6,000 and you get 2. So for every $1 you spend on PPC, you should expect a return of $2. And if you multiply that by 100, you get $100 of PPC equaling $200 return, or 200%. So thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful. And please subscribe to our channel for more educational videos about digital marketing. Thank you.